How to turn off WhatsApp notifications. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then, simply click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, scroll down and click on Notifications in here. After you click on Notifications, simply click on all the notifications and turn it off, which is reminders, messages, high priority notifications, reaction notifications, groups, high priority notifications, reactions, calls, high priority notifications, and reactions. After you've done that, go back from WhatsApp and open settings. In here, click on apps and notifications. Then click on WhatsApp. After you click on WhatsApp, click on notifications in here. In here, simply turn off all WhatsApp notifications and you're good to go. This is how to turn off WhatsApp notifications. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.